Hey guys, welcome to just a casual video. Today we're just gonna be just casual. We're just gonna sit down, relax, and just talk about news today. And you know me, I'm just a casual person. We're gonna be talking about not a lot of news because I don't feel like doing a lot of research, but I feel like this is video I can do weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly depending on the topic. Right now, since this is the first time I'm doing this, I don't have any research done, and I just have 3 video topics today that I want to talk about. So first up is Apple made a patent for a foldable phone, which is pretty cool, honestly. But also, why I like folding phones are cool. I made my Samsung Fold video, but I just don't understand the folding phone kind of thing. It's really cool, but it's also really expensive. Do I want this? No, I can't afford any folding phone right now because I don't have any form of money. They have 3 patents. It looks like different patent. Like this one right here is just plain. The other one is like a book, and then the other one folds in on itself. I don't really know which one they're going for. I'm just looking at the pictures again. Not doing any research. Don't plan on doing it. But anyway, next topic. Apparently, the Galaxy Note 10 is not gonna have any buttons. This one is just a rumor, but why? Again, why? What is it just gonna I don't understand this. Why do we want a buttonless future? I love tactile feels of keyboard. Apple removes that with the MacBooks. I mean, have you seen them? Like every time I go to the store to try them out, they feel like I'm typing on a touchscreen, which is not a good feeling. I don't. Just another reason I won't switch to Apple. But why? I want tactile feedback. Even this membrane keyboard is better than nothing. I can at least feel that I'm typing. With the other ones, I don't even know if I press the key properly, and then they have a bunch of reliability issues. That's just the MacBooks, and Apple did release their MacBooks, and my friend Sequick did get his hands on it, and I mean he's mainly an Apple user. You can check out his video here or here, I don't know, but he likes it, so I guess it's good. But personally, whenever I try it out, it doesn't feel good. But again, they're also removing the headphone jack, which is pretty much one of the reasons a lot of people stick with Samsung here, which is cool. But the headphone jack I can kind of understand, but I still like headphone jacks. I think they're great. I can pretty much use any headphones I want. If I really wanted to, I can use these headphones, and or I could just use a pair of headphones. But Bluetooth is pretty cool. The M50 BT, that's a cool pair of headphones, but I don't have the money. I really want an all wireless life though. Anyway, our last news topic of today is TSeries reached 100 million subscribers, and YouTube made this short little clip. I'll only show a snippet of it because it also contains copyrighted music, but I think this is a pretty sad day for YouTube. Well, I mean, it hadn't happened today. It happened a couple of days ago, but still. It shows how YouTube is moving from kind of creators to more corporations, just like their trending tab has been showing recently, and I really miss that. But yeah, YouTube is a platform that we all use because it's easy to use, and it started with creators, but it's moving more and more towards corporations, which is a way YouTube can make more money. I know but it's just like so sad. I just want to see something where they're just like creators are supported and corporations are supported. I just want to see both sides of the spectrum shown, so that the trending tab is basically all the same people over and over and over again. Anyway guys, well, thanks for watching my real casual video. Thanks for watching guys. Before I ramble too much, peace out.